About a dozen Washoe County search and rescue crews helped with the search after the avalanche. Sheriff Darren Balaam said they got the call around noon and it took them about 3 hours to get to the area.
Our biggest challenge was just getting there, and then once they got there, the extreme volatile situation with possible new avalanches.
He said the Nevada County Sheriff's Office asked them for help because of their training with snowshoe and avalanche probing deployment. Most of the people in the search and rescue response are volunteers. The Sheriff's Office only has 2 full-time search and rescue employees.